Hello everyone, I'm Jemalyn Calleja, Bitalad 3 ICT. I will make a reaction video for this video entitled Fireworks Dreamweaver Menu Buttons. In this video, it will teach us how to create a menu button that we can use in our website design or HTML by using the Adobe Fireworks CS3 and then insert the edited menu image in the Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. The Adobe Fireworks CS3 is a graphic editor like the Adobe Flash CS3. The first part of the video shows how to trace the target design. Example, having a reference from the internet or your own design. You can apply the editing techniques from the previous video, which is about how to trace a map using the same application. But in this video, it will show other more editing techniques in tracing the object or image. Using the ruler as a guide by clicking on the ruler and drag down, and a green line will show up. Changing the color of the area, just click the part and change the color by clicking the paint bucket tool to choose color or gradient. Position the mouse pointer to the area and then click once. Press Ctrl 0 to fill the window or to show the whole canvas. It was an amazing video tutorial for us, especially for those who are beginners. Thank you.